Alright, I'm back with another video. Trying to get my filming set up right. I don't know if this is good. Hopefully I'm in focus, but yeah, like I think I'm in focus. I think everything's clear. I think I'm like in the middle. I'm not really too sure. I just know like I have not got my haircut in a minute. I'm not getting my haircut at all. So I'm about to cut my hair with a Cut Buddy. I bought a Cut Buddy. Boom! Let's get it! But yeah, make sure you hit that smash the like button if you want more workout videos, or if you want workout videos. People have been asking me for that. You know, giving me like my routines, my workout routines. So make sure you hit the like button. You know, add to the family. Make sure you subscribe too. You know, like why not? I'm gonna be putting out more good content for you guys. But you know, I really wanna get on this Cut Buddy. So let's get started. So I'm pretty sure you can see it. I'm pretty sure you can see this is the Cut Buddy right here. You know what I mean? This is the OG. This is the real thing. You know what I mean? You get like a pencil like to do your lineup. That's gonna be fun on my lineup. But you get a pencil. You get a pencil, man, and then you get like the actual thing that we're gonna be using today. All right, so basically I'm just gonna like draw in my lineup and everything. How I want it, I guess. So yeah, I kind of just did it like that. And that's how I want mine. Yeah, that's how I want. I don't want it too crazy, you know. I want something natural, because I might have to get my hair cut later. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's kind of something like that. So yeah, let's see. I really want to know if this is gonna work. I think it's gonna work. I think it's gonna go. I think it might go well, bro. Like for real. I don't know. I feel kind of good about it. I'm gonna use these T outliners, you know, basic T outliners. Like, you guys pretty much know what that is. where's my brush? Hold on. But like, I just kind of brush. I think I'm gonna brush out. What you do, you brush out the guidelines. My hair's still probably gonna be like white. But like, I just kind of touch up. I'm probably gonna touch it up some more. But hold on, man. Hold on, dude. Hold on. But yeah, I probably just gotta brush. I probably just gotta brush the guidelines out. But yeah, man, it definitely helped. Like, it definitely helped. So yeah, man. Okay, all right. It's not bad. I'm kind of liking it. The progress. Like, it's got the edges and everything. So it's not too bad. Not too bad for my first go with it. Like, I really just kind of picked it up and tried it out. So it's a lot sharper. Yeah, man. Oh wow, man. Oh wow. So yeah, it's a lot sharper, and my hair isn't going super down low because I cut it. So yeah, that was one of the main things. Like, when I press down on it, you see my hair isn't going down to super duper far as it was before. So yeah, man, like, I like it. I like the product. Okay, so I really want to do a side-by-side comparison. The left is before the cut buddy, yeah, and the right is after the cut buddy. So it's a significant difference. One of the main things when using a cut buddy, you just really want to make sure you trust the guidelines, and you also want to use the edge of the cut buddy. So when you're using it, just make sure your clipper is touching the edge of the plastic, so that way your hairline is even and it will be a lot easier to use. Another thing is, don't lift up the cut buddy too high, because then you may go underneath the plastic and it will cut your hair. So be careful for that. It just really kind of takes practice on figuring out like how you want your hairline to be and you doing it yourself. But once you get the hang of it, you'll be fine. And you know, I do recommend the product for you, which is in the description. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So I don't know. I think the Cut Buddy is good, man. I would recommend it if you want to try it out. I would suggest you try it out. Make sure you check out the link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. And that's the end of the video, man. Thank you so much. I'm out.